know you're my friend. Gee. You told me, honey, when you need my money, let me tell you, baby, you're my expense, baby. You went to the grocery, you bought a better baby, but I don't know why it's smiling on the way back home. We're going to the beauty parlor, twice every week. We're going to the movie show 3 times a week. You are going to the Macy's 4 times a week. It's down to 7 days a week. I'm feeling loving, baby, I bet you love me like you do. Won't you listen to me, baby, I'm not your son.
Hey, Liz, what's up?
You told me, honey,
I don't know. Usually these shows go on till like 11:30 or midnight. I don't know.
Stay away from the shopping mall. Hey, come on, DJ.
So you're gonna come or you're not? Kenny's playing right now. It's so awesome. All right, cool. I look forward to seeing you. Bye.
You got a witness, I got a hole in my soul. You got a tear flow by main road, oh baby, that's my house to work 7 days a week. I'm feeling loving, baby, I bet you love me like you do. Won't you listen to me, baby, I'm not your Santa Claus. You told me, honey, but I'm not your money. Oh baby, that's why I have to baby, I bet you love me like you do. Won't you listen to me, baby, I'm not your Santa Claus. You told me, honey, that I'm not your money. Oh baby, please stay away from the shopping mall. Oh baby, please stay away from the shopping mall.